4, Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, Rock County in south central Wisconsin, eastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southern Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, western Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 8:45 a.m. At 8:11 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marshall, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Janesville, Beloit, Sun Prairie, Watertown, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Jefferson, McFarland, Monona, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Columbus, Marshall, Waterloo, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.